Kasi nga, if you are actually working for the Philippines and fighting corruption, you are also working for Baguio. Anong nangyari sa mga engineer sa Baguio? Suspended na. Tignan nyo si Sec Dizon. Okay, let's talk about Secretary Dizon. They will keep as much as possible Secretary Dizon there. Siya na lang yung maliit na ilaw dyan. Pero you know why they can afford to keep Secretary Dizon there? Because Secretary Dizon only has authority over DPWH. Hindi niya maitatalian sa mga politiko. Sino? Sino ang mga mabubukulan? DPWH employees and contractors. Pababa lang. Yung mga congressman, okay? Congressman, mga senador, politiko, presidente. Secretary Dizon cannot look up.